Good day, folks. How is everybody doing? It's Matthew here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration in how to achieve a couple different variations of stain using Mr. Cornwall's Creative Colors and Mr. Cornwall's Super Duper Everlasting Oil. Mr. Cornwall's Creative Colors are the best of the best pure powdered pigments refined from the metals of the earth. They are completely stable, fully oxidized, and offer you the ultimate UV protection. So really great for your exterior projects, and of course fantastic for your interior projects to give you all those beautiful colors that you or your clients demand. Here we're doing an opaque version. This was a 1-to-1 ratio of oil to pigment, mixed together well and simply rolled out with a high density foam roller. We roll it on and then give it a quick back roll, ensuring everything is even and leveled out on the surface without too much excess. We are not going to be buffing that off. We leave it on and just let it dry. Here in the second sample, this is a reduced version of pigment to oil, and we're just applying with a non-woven pad as usual. We will work it into the surface well and let it set up for a bit, and then we will come back and remove and buff away the excess, just as usual with your typical Odie's oil finish. And here we are doing yet again another reduced version, so backing off the amount of pigment to give you less color saturation. You can achieve anything from fully translucent to fully opaque and anywhere in between. And here we are just buffing away the excess, and you can see that beautiful color. And here is the even further reduced version. We are going to be doing the same process here with a different color. This is coffee, so your fully opaque version, roll it on, back roll it, a reduced version, and yet another reduced version. So we are going to be doing a live discussion, Q&A, and live demonstration this Thursday, November 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern, in regards to all things Mr. Cornwall's Creative Colors and how to mix stain. We will be going over best practices, techniques, how-tos, all of that. And we want to answer your questions. So please submit any questions you have in relation to Mr. Cornwall's Creative Colors and how to mix stains to info@odiesoil.com, and we will be happy to answer your questions. We really hope to see you there. This Thursday, November 21st, 7 p.m. Eastern, all things color and stains.